Hi everyone. Now today I thought we'd carry on our little world tour that we're doing. We've been to New Zealand and we've been to Australia, and I thought today we'd go to the Caribbean. Now if you don't know where the Caribbean is, you could ask your grown-up to help you find it on a map or on Google Earth, and maybe find out a little bit about what it's like in the Caribbean. It's usually quite warm, which is quite nice. And they have lots and lots of beautiful wildlife. And so this song is called Yellow Bird, and it's about a yellow bird, funnily enough. So I've got my ukulele for this one, so I hope you enjoy it. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away, you're more lucky than me. I also have a pretty girl, she'll be up with me today. They all the same like pretty girls, make them the nest, then they fly away. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you live all alone like me. Wish that I were a yellow bird, I'd fly away with you. But I am not a yellow bird, so here I sit, nothing else to do. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Let's fly away from the sky away. It's coming soon, look from night to noon. Like a yellow you, like banana too. He might pick you someday. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Maybe you have a little look round your house today and see what else you can find that's yellow. And let me know what you find. Have a good day, hope you enjoyed the song, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.